Hey everyone, ever thought an AI could not only write research papers but also run experiments and critique its own work, all for just $15? Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's actually happening with Sakana AI latest innovation, the AI scientists. This game-changing tech is set to revolutionize the way we do scientific research, making it faster, cheaper, and way more efficient. Today, we will discuss how this AI tool can fundamentally change the way we conduct scientific research and drive innovation. So Sakana AI, a startup founded in July 2023 by former Google researchers David Hall, Lion Jones, and Ren Ito, has unveiled what they're calling the world's first fully automated AI scientist. This AI agent, known as the scientist, is designed to handle the entire research process on its own, from coming up with new ideas and writing the necessary code to running experiments and drafting scientific papers. It does it all. It even takes things a step further by conducting its own peer reviews, assessing the quality of its work with an accuracy that's nearly on par with human reviewers. One of the standout features of the AI scientist is its cost efficiency. It can produce a complete research paper for around $15, which is a fraction of what traditional methods usually cost. This system has already made waves in machine learning, particularly in areas like diffusion modeling and transformer-based language modeling. In fact, it has generated papers that have been accepted at leading machine learning conferences, showing just how versatile and effective it can be. So here is a conceptual illustration of the AI scientist. Essentially, the Sakana AI scientist operates in 3 steps: idea generation, experiment iteration, and the actual writing of the paper. To make this clearer, here's a simplified example. You give it a starting point, like some existing code on GitHub, and a general research area. And this AI goes to town. It comes up with new ideas, checks if they're actually original, tweaks code to test those ideas, runs experiments, makes charts and graphs, and even writes up the whole paper. The crazy part is it can keep going in this loop, using what it learned from one paper to come up with even better ideas for the next one. It's basically a one-stop shop for doing science, complete with its own built-in peer reviewer. The folks behind this say that when you use the most advanced AI models out there, this AI scientist can actually produce papers that might get a week accepted at a top machine learning conference. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Imagine telling a scientist from 50 years ago that we'd have AIs writing and reviewing scientific papers. They'd probably think we were describing a sci movie, but this isn't science fiction at all. You can actually run the AI scientist on your own computer right now. They've also released a GitHub repository, which currently has 6,000 stars. Plus, they've provided the paper that the AI scientist generated: dual-scale diffusion, adaptive feature balancing for low-dimensional generative models, GAN-enhanced diffusion, boosting sample quality and diversity. If you want, you can read whole paper, and below you'll see instructions on how to install the AI scientist. If you want me to create a tutorial in the installation process, comment below and I'll make a separate video for it. Just let me know. Back to the topic, it supports DP2.4 and Anthropic Claude Sonnet APIs. You can also run it with a local open source LLM if you prefer. Both options work well. Sakana AI scientist has the potential to revolutionize various fields beyond machine learning by automating scientific research processes. In drug discovery, it could accelerate the identification of potential candidates and optimize compounds. For materials science, it could explore new materials and their properties through experiments and simulations. In climate change mitigation, the AI scientist can model environmental data and propose solutions. In agriculture, it could optimize crop yields by analyzing various factors. The technology could also be applied to social sciences, analyzing trends in human behavior and economic data to aid policymakers. In environmental science, it can assess the impact of human activities on ecosystems, generating hypotheses about biodiversity loss and pollution effects. These applications demonstrate the AI scientist's potential to significantly advance research across multiple disciplines, potentially leading to breakthroughs in areas crucial for human health, sustainability, and technological progress. While the AI scientist is currently focused on machine learning research, its ability to automate the scientific discovery process opens up numerous possibilities across various fields. However, challenges remain regarding its limitations in generating truly original ideas and the need for human oversight to ensure the validity and ethical implications of its findings.